Acura might be calling the 2019 RDX that will premiere in Detroit next week a prototype, but as you can see for yourself in these first official images that surfaced on YouTube, the SUV is 99% production ready. At a first look, the only elements that might be toned down a notch or slightly differentiated when the RDX goes on sale later this year as a 2019 model, appear to be the bottom half of the front and lower part of the rear bumper, and the door mirrors. Everything else looks normal. The Honda-owned brand vowed a dramatic restyling for the new generation RDX, boldly stating that it represents the most extensive Acura redesign in more than a decade. We got a conceptual taste of Acura's new, beak-less, design language from the Precision Sports Sedan and Precision Cockpit studies in 2016, with the 2019 RDX being the first model to implement the styling. It definitely has a sportier silhouette and a more sculpted body with more playful detailing on the outside like the Lexus RX meets Mazda CX-5 and Chevy Bolt, rear quarter window V-point and muscular hood, but it's not like you can't tell it's related to Acura's latest crossovers.